Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove your favorite sounds on TikTok. So if you added a songs to your favorites list, for example, in here, I'm going to find a song to add. Okay, so for example, this one's right here. Okay, this one's right here. Just click on a sound, and here you can here add to favorites. So how you can remove a sound for you from your favorites list? So what you need to do is just go to your profile, just click on this, and here click on your save collections and just found sounds tab, this one. So these are the list of my favorite sounds on TikTok. So for example, I want to remove this uh okay, this one's right here. So just click on the three lines in here. Okay, so you'll be opening the sounds page. So if you want to remove it from your favorites, just click on this edit to favorites button again, and just like that, when you go back, it will be removed from your favorite list on TikTok. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.